My name is Erica Olivas, and today I will be doing a social studies lesson in 4th grade. In this lesson, I will be teaching about the Texas 4 regions and their physical characteristics. According to Piaget, at this stage, children are at the concrete operational stage. Students at this age are at a point where they are looking for clarification of facts. They want to know why things happen the way they do. In relation to Vygotsky's view, the student will have a structured learning experience. I have chosen the activities and will direct the student at some point during the activities.
State that you live in?
Texas.
Texas? What do you know about Texas? No, you can't think of the things you know about Texas?
No.
Okay. Well, today what we're going to learn about Texas is that it has 4 regions. It has the coastal plains, the central plains, the mountain and basins, and the Great Plains. But do you know what a region is? No, you don't know what a region is? Okay. The region, this is the state of Texas, right? And like I said before, it's divided in 4 regions, which that means it has each of these regions is characterized by different things on the earth or on the land that it stands. Okay? So that means that Texas, if you go from one city to another city, it's not all going to be the same. The soil's not going to be the same. The resources, the animals that live there, they're not all the same throughout Texas. So that's why Texas is divided into 4 regions. Now, let's learn a little bit about each region, okay? Cities from this coastal plain. These would be Austin, Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, Texarkana, Corpus Christi, Brownsville. Those are the main cities in the coastal plains. And you know what section of Texas the coastal plain is? Look, this red part is going to help us represent the coastal plains. This part of Texas is the coastal plains. So from this chart refers to this, to the coastal plains, okay? So the cities that we just mentioned, or that I just mentioned, are in this part of Texas, okay? Now let's do the climate. The climate 30 to 55 inches per year of rain, okay? So now let's talk about the economic resources. Now let's do the natural, okay? So this here, okay? Next, let's talk about the central plains, okay? It's this part. This yellow section would be our central plains, Koryna. And I'm going to put some tape that way it holds it and we can get a better view of it. Fort Worth, Abilene, Wichita Falls, and the climate on this region is dry of Texas. Do you see how that helps you? It's like a big puzzle, right? And it helps you just visualize the regions. And that's the Great Basins, and we have some cities from there. We would have, visited any of the cities here, Koryna, that I just mentioned? And
I've gone to Amarillo.
You have? Okay. Very cold, huh, during the winter? And the climate, I'll just mention how cold it is. It's very cold. The region that we have are the mountains and basins. We're going to for this region, we have El Paso, Pecos, Kermit. All of these are cities from this part of the... You have any questions, Koryna? No? Okay. So you want to, I have these for you to come and label. Okay? You want to come and label them? And visualize it. So which region is that?
The Central Plains.
Okay. And that would be there. Good. Regions of Texas. And they all have different cities, different temperatures, different plants and animals and resources, right? Notes that you took during the lesson, those notes right there. For these notes, what you're going to do is you're going to fold like this. It's going to be, and you're going to have a fan, and you're going to have your notes, and this is going to be like a reference, okay? So this is how you're going to do it, okay? Koryna, you have your 4 regions, right, that you did, and what you can do is when you need to go back, you can just open it like this and go back and reference it. Which region would you like to live in? The one you live in right now? Which one did we say was the hottest? Do you recall that?